Good day everyone and welcome back. If you've been looking for a direct button to send money straight from your Cash App to PayPal, you've probably noticed that it doesn't exist. Because these are competing networks, they don't talk to each other natively. But there are two really easy workarounds to move your funds between them. And the absolute fastest way is to bridge the gap by using the Cash App debit card, sorry. First, open up your Cash App, tap on your card image, and select Card Details to view your card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Copy those details down. Then, jump over to the PayPal app. Tap directly into your wallet and select Link a Card or Bank. Choose the debit card option and type your Cash App card numbers in exactly. Once linked, you can head to PayPal's Add Funds section, select your card, Cash Card as the primary funding source, and pull your money across instantly. If you don't have a Cash Card yet, your best alternative is using a standard shared bank account as a financial middleman. So to set this up, you just need to connect the exact same traditional checking profile to both applications. Inside Cash App, hit your profile icon, select Linked Banks, and verify your bank account. Then hop over to PayPal, go into your wallet panel, and click that same exact bank account. To move the money, go to Cash App and use the standard Cash Out button to send your balance to your bank. And that is it. The deposit will clear in about a day or two. You can then open the PayPal, hit Add Funds, and pull that money from your bank straight into PayPal. That is it. This is your way. Enjoy as always, and thank you for watching.